Today's episode is about a tornado. Also, it's part 2. I didn't mention anything about part 2, but yeah. LOL. Hey guys, it's me again, and this time we're going to be picking up the kids from daycare. So yeah, I'm gonna go in my car. I totally wasn't. Oh my god, no, my gosh, I'm supposed to be. There we go. Now time to pick up the car, kids. Come on, Lila. It doesn't take that long. Okay, Mum, I'm coming. I just need to say bye to my friends. Guys, I think my mum's calling me. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Now I got to go. See you later. Mum, I'm here. Okay, now we're going to pick up your twin brother and sister. Stay in the car. Mama, you're here. Yeah, Mummy's here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. The kids had a great time. Oh, okay, nice. Oh, okay, nice to hear that. Okay, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. You too. Bye. Bye. Okay, time to turn the car back on. Okay, let's go back. Okay, time to go back. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're nearly home, kids. Okay, Mum. We're home, kids. Okay, Mum. Okay, Mum, Dad, we're home. Okay, we're coming. Yeah, we're coming. How have the pets been doing? They've been doing great. He's so adorable. Glad to hear that. See you next time. See you next time, darling. Bye. 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 Okay, now I'm gonna go watch. Now you guys can watch what's on the television. Actually, no, you can watch the iPad. Okay, Mum. Okay, now I'm going to cook dinner. So guys, basically I can't take off the shoes since there's like a type of glitch, or maybe they're just working on something. So yeah. Okay guys, never mind. I've just fixed it, but still doing the same thing. So basically I'll just have to do this for like a few days and things will be back to normal, I think. So yeah. I really hope. So yeah. So now I'm gonna make dinner. See you downstairs. Should I make steak for dinner? Today's garden news. We have some important news. It's time we are having a serious tornado invasion happening. Please stay in homes, don't go near windows, and stay safe. Here's a tip: stay under tables just in case if there's another tornado going to happen. OMG, a tornado! That's my fear. Oh no, I better warn Mom about it. Hopefully she believes me. Oh my gosh. Mom, you won't believe what just happened on the news. What happened? There's going to be a tornado and I'm scared of tornadoes. I thought it wouldn't happen. Stop with the jokes. I know you're lying. I'm not lying. Go check the news if you don't believe me. Okay, let's go see what is going to happen. Today's Garden News. I repeat, there's going to be a tornado happening today. Stay in homes, don't go near windows, and make sure nothing falls, especially the windows. If they shatter, please go to a safety place immediately. OMG, she wasn't lying. I better call her dad. Can I have the tablet real quick? Sure. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, honey, you need to come home ASAP. There's going to be a tornado, and they might be 2 or more than twice. Okay, I'll come, but I don't believe you that there's gonna be a tornado. Check the news if you don't believe me. Okay, whatever you say, I'll check the radio. Bye, honey. Oh no, oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? Okay, maybe if I stay calm, everything will go to place. Okay, oh my god. I think we should do, for dinner, I think we should do mac and cheese. Oh, okay, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese sounds good. Okay, I'll go watch some TV now. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay, for mac and cheese, I think I need a pot. Okay, now I got my bean and my cooking apron on. I can start making mac and cheese. So now I'm just ordering the cheese and it's gonna come. Okay, now I'm just cooking the mac and cheese. I'm home, kids. Okay, Dad. Kids, come and get your food. It's on the table. Ooh, food. Delicious. I'm gonna sit here. I did the pink plate. Ooh, yes, a pink one just for me. I want pink. She always gets pink. You always get pink. Why don't give your little sister the pink this time? Purple's similar to pink. I guess. Yay! I always get what I want. Okay, I'm gonna go get my food. Oh, no, I'm on the table. Okay, guys, now do your prayer before you eat. God, thank you so much for this food. We all love it. Amen. Okay, now guys, you can eat your food. Yum. This is delicious. Uh-oh. This is where the tornado starts. Oh my gosh, the lights! The lights! OMG, what's happening to the lights? The lights are flickering. Oh my god. The house is so dark. What should we do? Well, firstly off, we need to get the pets. Go and change before the tornado starts. Okay, Mum. Okay, now we're all dressed. Oh, the lights are turning off by themselves. Done, done, done! Mom, the tornado's getting bigger and bigger. I need to stay safe and just go under the table. Okay, Mom. Everyone's hiding in the house. Here's Dad. He's hiding behind that. Mum's hiding behind here. You can barely see her. Lila's hiding behind the closet. And the twins are hiding behind the chair. Guys, I think the tornado stopped. Okay, guys, come out. Go to bed, kids. Okay, Mum. Okay, I'll just go to bed now. At least it's not that stressful anymore. Can I come out now? Yes, you can, Dad. Okay. Time to go to bed. Okay, time to end the video here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below, and always put that notification button on, just in case if you don't want to miss of one of my amazing videos. Bye.